So right off the bat, really good power from this 3.5 liter V6. You can give it throttle coming out of corners and it'll go without squealing the tires. And that comes from having just a regular V6 front wheel drive as opposed to having a turbocharged one or a turbocharged 4-cylinder. Give it a little throttle there. But I drove this earlier. I took it on my test route and I was not recording, so I'm having to do it again. But it was a very, very impressive test drive. I mean, everything in this vehicle has really held up with over 181,000 miles on it. It's really impressive. I mean, the leather still feels good, looks good on the steering wheel, on the seats. The whole interior looks immaculate, especially for a 2011 model with 180K plus on the odometer. But it comes down the highway really nicely, and I average probably around 24, 25 miles per gallon, doing 75. So really impressive numbers. The brake pedal feels really good, especially for a minivan. This one goes perfectly with what I'm driving. And the only thing that hasn't held up on this van is going to be the steering wheel column, which Toyotas are known for. They start making that little click noise, but they still drive fine. It's just like a clicking as you turn the steering wheel that you can kind of feel ever so slightly. But honestly, as I've driven this van, it's gone away a little bit, so that's interesting. Might just need some oil or something. I'll give it some throttle here. And it's just really good pickup throughout the power band. I mean, this 3.5 liter V6 drives perfectly. No misfires, no shudders, anything like that. And the 6-speed is always ready to shift. And I like how the eco mode in this van doesn't go away as soon as you put your foot into the pedal. You have to be gentle with it, but it's still there to help you save on fuel, which with these gas prices is definitely a plus. And the ride overall is very smooth, very controlled. And this really is a great van. I didn't know it until I drove it, because I've only driven the newer ones. I haven't driven the older ones. So this 2011, especially after this kind of mileage, is doing very well. Everything works except for that second glove compartment over there. But with this XLE, you get so many features. The power doors and having all the cup holders, the cabinets chairs, the power sunroof, the heated seats. And just driving it, I really wish that I was in the market for one of these, because it really is a bargain. Probably for what it was new, and even in this market now, you can get another 100,000, 200,000 miles out of this van easily. But as we come to the end of the test drive, I'm just going to give my final thoughts on it and tell you all how much you can get this particular Sienna XLE for. So I want to give a huge shout out to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this 2011 Sienna today. I'll leave a link below to the vehicle in the description, as well as a link to their entire used inventory throughout here. But final thoughts on it, really impressed with this van. Like I said throughout the review, it's held up very well. All of the bells and whistles work, drives fantastically, and it's just a really good option if you're looking to save some money in these hard times and have something that'll go 100, 200,000 miles. And this one's only at 12,811 right now. So just a really good deal if you're in the market for a van like this. And finally, I just want to let you all look at the key and the key fob. So there we have the lock, unlock, and then we can open either door from the outside, hold that for the power lift gate and then the panic button. And this one even comes with 2 keys, so another plus for this van in particular. But with all that being said, I just want to thank you all for watching the video. Please make sure you like, comment if you have any questions or concerns about this van, and subscribe if you liked what you saw today, and we'll catch you on the next video.